Nako mga sangka, ito na nga pandaigdigang balita po tayo ngayon. Naglabas na po itong si President Donald Trump ng mga files patungkol po dito sa UFO o mga sasakyan ng mga alien. Nako, totoo kaya ito? Hey guys, what's up? This is me. We are back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, pandaigdigang balita po tayo ngayon mga sangkay para naman syempre pampakalma sa utak natin kasi masyadong magulo ang politika sa ating bansa, no? Pero ito, medyo pala isipan to kasi ayon sa balita, naglabas daw po si President or si US President Trump ng mga files, mga video po ito ng mga nasabing mga UFO, mga sasakyan ng mga alien. Naku, tingnan po natin yung mga footage na ito kung gaano katotoo, mga sangkay. Bago natin umpisahan yan, no, sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa baba ng video na to. Diyan sa baba, i-click nyo lamang po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay guys, so ito nga po ang balita. Nako, matindi to guys. Yan o, breaking news. Trump release UFO alien live files.
Fox News alert, the Trump
Ano to ngayon mga sangke, headline po sa buong mundo. Pambira, ang dami pong information na inilabas ngayon.
administration releasing the first batch of files related to UFOs and alien life.
So is the truth really out there?
Senior White House correspondent Peter Doocy joins us live with the details.
Grabe no, samantala dito sa atin ang pinag-uusapan impeachment. Doon mga pang extraterrestrial terrestrial beings na pambihira, ang layo na po.
What have you learned, Peter?
Good morning. So, a White House official left this hard drive on my desk overnight. You can see on it, it says AARO files copy 203. That is the all domain resolution office copy 203. This is the first big batch of UFO disclosure ordered by President Trump. Some of the clips and videos on there have popped up different places before. Some of them have not, and we have been going through this all morning and overnight to try to put together some of the best videos so we can all look at this together. This is a world exclusive right here. So let's
So sobrang dami pala nito mga video na ito mga sangkay.
go to the first clip. Over the skies of the United Arab Emirates
Ito, doon po sa UAE,
in June 2024.
June 2024.
An inverted teardrop with a vertically linear trailing mass, as described by the War Department, suspended below. The War Department cannot say for sure what this is. It is officially listed as an unresolved UAP report. The
Yan, no?
next video, over the skies of Iraq, December
Ito naman, kailan ito?
2022.
December 2022. So saan kaya ito?
Moving bottom left to top
Ito siya oh. Nakikita niyo mga sangkay, ito maliit na tumatakbo.
right of the field of view. All CENTCOM gets from this is an area of contrast. That's what they describe it as. It is officially still listed as an unresolved UAP report.
Okay. Alam niyo guys, kapag ka sa atin kasi yan, madali pong madidetect ng US. Dahil sila po ay may mga matitindi, mga matataas na teknolohiya na nagagamit mga sangkayan for surveillance. So hindi po sila magugulangan. So itong mga pinapakita, ito yung mga unidentified flying object or mga UFO na sinasabi mga alien daw po ang sakay nito.
Next video, over the skies of Greece, October 2023.
Ito, 2023, October.
What is described as a
Ito. Ito may bilog, mga sangka, ito. Maliit lang, yung nakikita.
small and circular UAP flying near the surface of the ocean towards land. CENTCOM can't tell us what it is. It is officially listed as an unresolved UAP report. Within the last 2 minutes, all of these videos have gone live on war.gov/UFO, and a White House official tells Fox First, while past administrations sought to discredit or dissuade the American people,
While past administrations sought to discredit, or dissuade the American people, President Trump is focused on providing maximum transparency to the public. So sana ganun din po sa Epstein files, 'di ba? I-release na po lahat.
President Trump is focused on providing maximum transparency to the public who can ultimately make up their own minds about the information contained in these files. And there's also a fresh look at some historical records. There's this from Apollo 17 included in this big document dump. One of the astronauts says, we've got a few very bright particles or fragments or something that go drifting by as we maneuver.
Okay. Ito yung nakita daw po nila mga sangkay.
The control center says, Roger, understood. Another astronaut says, there's a whole bunch of big ones on my window down there. Just
Mga astronaut po ito, mga sangkay. May nakita po sila sa kalawakan na something kakaiba na hindi po nila maipaliwanag.
right. It looks like the 4th of July out of Ron's window. Another astronaut says, yes, now you can see some of them in shape. They're very jagged, angular fragments that are tumbling. This exchange has long been dismissed as floating insulation. But now the White House is saying, while this photo has been previously released and discussed by keen observers, there is no consensus about the nature of the anomaly. And this all started...
Grabe, no? Ganyang katindi ngayon mga sangkay yung ano sa US. Yung mga pasabog sa Amerika. Eto, Barack Obama said that aliens are real. Have you seen any evidence of non-human visitors to Earth?
Have you seen any evidence of non-human visitors to Earth?
Well, he gave classified information. He's not supposed to be doing that.
Noong February 19 po ito mga sangkay.
You know,
So aliens are real.
well, I don't know if they're real or not. I can tell you he gave classified information. He's not supposed to be doing
So pati pala si Trump interesado kung ano meron dito. Pero alam nyo guys, may mga nagsasabi na ito daw pong sinasabi mga alien. Possible daw po ng mga fallen angels. Ayon po sa kanila mga sangkay. Possible daw po ng mga fallen angels. Ito pa.
that this is about to become a regular thing because
Ito June 2024.
there are hundreds of documents and dozens of pieces of media, videos and photos that are contained on this drive that has just been uploaded to the new website, which is war.gov/UFO.
So nilabas na nga talaga ito ngayon mga sangkay.
There's nothing like that in this batch. But they are going through and they are working to declassify whatever they can because President Trump told them to. And this is different than when he ordered the Kennedy files to be unclassified and just put everything out.
Ang dami talagang sekreto ng Amerika, no? Well, mga sangkay, maraming mga mananampalataya nagsasabi na itong UFO ay dinitwist lamang talaga ang totoo dyan. Dahil ang totoo daw po mga sangkay, ito mga sinasabing nasa mga extraterrestrial beings. Ito daw po ay mga demonic forces na nagkalat sa kalawakan. No? At gusto nilang palabasin na ito po ay mga alien galing po sa ibang planeta. Yun po yung paliwanag dyan ng ibang mga pastors, ibang mga ministers na nakakaalam about po sa Word of God. Pero ipapaliwanag po natin yan dito sa Sangkay Revelation. Kaya i-subscribe nyo po ito o i-follow sa Facebook. Okay, kasi dito ina-upload po natin yung mas mga malalalim pa mga impormasyon related po sa Bible prophecy at kung ano po itong mga nangyayari. Pag-usapan na rin po natin itong patungkol sa mga alien. Kasi yung iba mga sangkay, sinasabi po nila na kapag napatunayan daw po na may alien, mawawala daw po yung pananampalataya ng mga tao sa Diyos. Mawawala daw po yung pagkakakilala ng tao sa Diyos. But alam nyo guys, hindi po. May sinasabi po ang Biblia patungkol po sa lahat ng mga nilalang. Alien man yan o ano, lahat ng yan ay nilikha ng Diyos. Pag-uusapan po natin yan dito kung ano nga ba talaga ang totoo. Kaya i-subscribe nyo po ito Sangkay Revelation. Kasi dapat po ninyong malaman kung ano ba talaga itong mga alien na ito. Totoo kaya na ito ay mga fallen angels na nagkalat po sa kalawakan? Pag-uusapan po natin yan. Alright? Ako na po ay magpapaalam. Mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.